Oops. Okay, good morning, everybody. I think it's good morning. Is it good morning? No, good afternoon, everybody. Mr. Holt-Shannon coming to you today with some real life. Okay, so it's Sunday. I'm trying to get away from the computer, and so I'm going to plant potatoes. That's what I'm going to do today. So I'm going to take you through that with me. Gotta have tunes, though. Gotta have tunes. I'll probably speed this part up when I edit. What do I want for tunes right now? Certainly don't want Winds of Change. Oh, here we go. Yeah, AC/DC. Okay. All right, so had the great idea to plant potatoes today. It's a good day for it. There's not going to be any rain for a little while. It's going to have some sun. Not a lot, but enough. Potatoes like cold, so it's all good. But of course, when I got on the YouTubes, I saw that when you're cutting your potatoes to make eyes of them, seeds, you gotta let them hang out overnight. So I'm just going to take you guys through the first step, which is to cut it up into little seeds. All right. So first thing you want to do is get the right knife. Okay. So let's see. What kind of knife do I want? I like a big knife personally, so I'm going to go with this one right here. It's my favorite knife. My wife, even though I told her a million times not to put it into the dishwasher, she kept putting it in the dishwasher. As a result, I don't know if you can see it or not, but the thing here fell off because she doesn't listen to me very well. All right.
I would like to defend myself.
It's true. Okay, so where did I leave off? All right, so for this part of the video, because I'm low tech, you're not going to be able to see my face. But I want to show you how to cut these potatoes up into eyes that you can then plant into the ground. So each potato is actually, I could just plant that potato and it would grow. But to be more efficient, I'm going to get myself several plants, well, not several, I'm going to get myself a few plants out of this one by cutting up the eyes, okay? So you can see there's one right there. It's actually got a sprout going out of it. So I'm going to cut this puppy right there, okay? So now I have my first eye, and I'll eventually just plant that right into the ground. So now I'm looking at where the other eyes are, and I got two, so I'm going to get two more plants out of this one.
I think you should roll out a safety knife.
Actually, there's one about starting right there, but I can probably only get two more out of this one. So I'm going to cut right here. Just kidding. Anyway, so there's another one, and so now, hopefully, now I got three, okay? So I'll go ahead and cut them all up. Okay, so let me go ahead and finish up with the last of the potatoes. So I actually have three different varieties of potatoes here. These are your classic Yukon Golds, great for French fries and mashed potatoes. These are your red potatoes, which my family eats a lot of. We use these for fries. We use them even for mashed potatoes, and actually we don't really bake these very often, but anyway. And then these are what are called fingerling potatoes because they look like fingers. And these are kind of more fancy, more gourmet potatoes. Make great, actually, roasted potato salad. These ones right here. So, but same idea. You can see the eyes with the sprouts all over the place, and I can cut this up to into as many of these little things as I want. Do one. Maybe I'll do one there. There's a couple eyes there, so I'll cut that one right there. So I got three out of that puppy. Okay, put those in my dish. I got my three varieties separated out so I don't confuse them because they'll go into the garden in different places. All right, so I'll leave these out overnight, and maybe tomorrow I'll show you what's going to happen is this is going to crust over so that it's not wet, and that's the prime time to put them in the ground. Okay, peace.